Jesse Luna from jesseluna.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add e-commerce capability to your Pinterest boards. So this is an example of an item that we're going to try to sell. So this is actually just a screenshot from a website called Gumroad, and I'll show you what that looks like. So all we're really going to do is we're going to add an image that links to that Gumroad site. Let's take a look. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that page, and I'm just copying that, and we're going to actually just pin that as a new item. There's actually two ways to do this. One is you can just take the image that's on the Gumroad page, or if you want, you could do what I did previously, which is I took a screenshot of the entire Gumroad page. In other words, all of this. So if you wanted to, you could just kind of shrink the page and then take a screenshot of this, trim it using an image editor. It could be anything like, Microsoft Paint if you have one of the bare bones tools. And then you could upload that as a new pin, right? You could upload that as a pin once you create the image. Or you could do what I started to do, which is to add a pin. So we'll go back to doing it that way. That's the Gumroad link to that particular image. You add it in there. You find out where you want to put it. We're going to put it on my board called La Tiendita, which means the store in Spanish. And you can describe your new image. So just put it Calaveras for Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, and then we're going to put the price on there. Now, if you put a $ sign and then the amount, something interesting happens. It's kind of hard to see here, but that image actually gets put on to that particular pin. And you can see here that it says $5. So we're going to go ahead and pin that. And there it goes. So now we have a new pin. Anybody who's following my La Tiendita board will now be able to see that image. If they click on it, it's going to go directly to the Gumroad site, and they can go there and buy the product, which is a digital downloadable version of 13 different calaveras or skulls that you can color in. Great to do with kids, family activities, crafting, all kinds of things. And you have a license to use it for different ways. So now let's go back to our board and see what that looks like. So there it is. And notice in this case, all I did was kind of pin the image that was on there. And by default, I'm going to click on Edit. You see that it links to that e-commerce page on the Gumroad site. I'm just going to save that. And we're basically done now. So that's a way to add e-commerce capability to your Pinterest board and using Gumroad. If you want to get a tutorial on how to use Gumroad, just leave me a comment. Comment on this pin, comment on the YouTube video, Facebook, Twitter, wherever. And if I get enough requests, then we'll do Gumroad tutorials. So you can see exactly how I set up that e-commerce capability very quickly. Once again, this is Jesse Luna with jesseluna.com, and hope you enjoy this tutorial.